What's going on, everybody? Today we're at the Flamingo. Gonna do a room tour of the Flamingo Premium room 25173. Let's check it out. All right, so walking into this spacious updated room. This is your entryway. Immediately to your right, got a nice little flamingo picture. Good decor to have in the room. And to your left is your bathroom. So bathroom is a little small, but it is updated. So here's your sink. Got a big backlit mirror above, and then down below you've got your towels and all of that good stuff. There's your toilet, and then here we have your standing shower. Another one of these half standing showers, but here are the dispensers. You've got your body wash, shampoo, conditioner, and you got the white tiling all through the standing shower. So it is an updated standing shower, but still don't know how I feel about this half enclosed shower, but at least they have the slider to protect you, I guess. Walking into the main part of the room, before you get there, you do have a full body mirror attached to a connecting door, so you can check yourself out before you hit the strip. And if you did have a connected room, this would be the door that you would go through to access. So this is the main part of your premium room. So this is like your living room, dining room area, I guess. So you do have a couch here. It's not a pull-out bed, and that couch is the regular couch, and a chair as well with a nice size flat screen TV mounted. And then as you go in toward the room over here on this side, here's your closet. So you do have a nice size closet with the creaking door. There is your iron and ironing board. Got a luggage rack, and then you have some drawers for storage. So you have a good size closet in this room. And as you see, you have a phenomenal view all across the whole back wall. So I'll get over to that view in just a second. Here is the king size bed. So you do have a nice king bed, and then you have a lamp on each side, and you also have more drawers there bedside. And I'll get that view of the connectivity outlet panel on that side in a second. But as you see, you get a really nice view from this room. So over there, you can see the hotel, the Flamingo pool, and then on this side over here is the exhibit, the animal exhibit. So there are some people down there as it's opening weekend exploring the exhibit. Phenomenal view all across, so no matter where you are in the room, you'll get a good view. This is a flat screen TV for the bed, across from the bed, and get your complimentary ice bucket and cups. Over here you have a connectivity panel, so if you have some media, you can connect USB, Bluetooth, HDMI, and it has USB charging, standard outlet charging ports. Down here, yes, you get an empty mini refrigerator included, so you need to keep your drinks cool. You have that available for you. And behind this door, you have an in-room safe, so if you need to lock up your valuables, keep them stored away safe, you've got that available. And then over here is just some extra shelves if you need more storage space, that's available. You do have a chair here. I feel like it's kind of awkward for this to be here, and I believe this little shelter shed thing filter, I guess that's supposed to be to protect the air filter that comes from there. I have no idea why it's there. But bedside, as you see, you do have extra charging ports, so if you need to use the standard charging, you can. But if you have USB, which a lot of us do nowadays, you also have a direct USB charging port, so that'll be convenient for those who may need to use that. And that's gonna do it for this video. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe if you're new. Thanks for watching.